Hello guys, today in this video we are going to see one of the important topic in Aptitude, that is CAC. First of all, we are going to see the basics of the CAC. Here, the hover hand makes 360-degree angle at 12 hours. That means here you can see the diagram. When hover hand completes one rotation, then it is called 360 degrees. The hover hand completes one rotation of by 12 hours. For 1 hour, it completes 30-degree angle. Here 1 hour or 60 minutes is same. Why? Because in 1 hour there is 60 minutes. Now let us see the minute hand. For 1 hour, the minute hand makes the 360-degree angle. Maybe because for 1 hour the minute hand completes one rotation of the clock. Here you can see the diagram. The minute hand completes one rotation for 1 hour. Now let us see the relative speed of clock. The relative speed of clock will be like this. You can memorize this value, that is 6 minus 1 by 2. If we simplify the value, then we got 11 by 2. And what is the formula of calculating the angle of clock? The formula for calculating the angle for clock is 30 a minus 11 by 2 b whole modulus. Here a stands for hours and b stands for minutes. The whole value should be based inside the modulus. Now let us see the problems. Here the problem is find the angle between 7.40 minutes. That means we have to find the angle between 7 hours 40 minutes. For calculating the angle, we use the formula 30a minus 11 by 2b. Here, first value which comes, that is hours, and the second value which is come, that is minutes. By substituting the value, we can find the angle like this. 30 into 7, that is 210, minus 11 by 2 into 40, that is 440 by 2. If we simplify the equation, we will got minus the 10-degree angle. Anything we place in modulus will become positive if we remove the modulus. That's why the positive 10-degree angle will come as the answer. Here the second question is, at what time both hands meet between 4 to 5? We have to find the time at which the hour and minute hand meet between 4 to 5. Now let's see the solution for this. For 1 hour, the hour hand makes 30-degree angle. If we multiply it with 4, then we got 120 degree. The time formula is distance by speed, but here we use relative speed instead of speed. What is the relative speed value here? 11 by 2. Distance equal to 120 degree by 11 by 2. In the next step, we have to add the inverse value of the denominator like this, that is 11 by 2 as 2 by 11. This is called inverse value. Multiply 2 by 11 into 120. Then we got 240 by 11. If we divide 240 by 11, we got the answer like this. That is, the quotient is 21 and the remainder is 9. We have to write it as mixed fraction format. That is, quotient comes as the bigger value and remainder comes as the numerator and divisor comes as the denominator. Here 9 by 11 value belongs to seconds. Here 21 belongs to minutes and 9 by 11 value belongs to seconds. The second value is in the fraction form. We have to convert the seconds value into decimal form. We can do it by multiplying it by 60. Why? Because for 1 minute there is 60 seconds. Here like this, if we multiply 60 into 9 by 11, then we got 540 by 11. If we again divide 540 by 11, we got the answer 49. So the final answer is the both hands meet at 4 hours 21 minutes 49 seconds between 4 to 5. Here what they ask at what time the both hands meet between 4 to 5. The time is 4 hours 21 minutes 49 seconds at both hands meet between 4 to 5. Hope you understand the second question. Here now see the third question. In the cake the time is 4:30 at what time cake shows in mirror. What they ask means the time in the cake is 4:30. If we see the cake through mirror, in the mirror what time it will be appear. They ask. For solving the type of problem, we have to select the value they are given to the 11 hours 60 minutes. If we subtract the value to the 11 hours 60 minutes, then we got the final answer like this. That is 7:30. In a mirror, the time will be shown as 7:30. In a real time gag, the time is 4:30. But when we see in a mirror, it can be visible like 7:30. Hope you understand this video. If you understand this concept, do a like, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.